कांग्रेस लीडर राहुल गांधी तमिलनाडु के 3 रोजा दौरे पर हैं। इस दौरान कोयम्बटूर पहुंचने पर उनका जोरदार इस्तकबाल किया गया। राहुल गांधी कई तकरीबात में भी शामिल हुए। इस दौरान उन्होंने मोदी हुकूमत पर एक कल्चर थोपने का इल्जाम लगाया। किसान तहरीक को लेकर भी राहुल ने मरकज पर हमला बोला। उन्होंने कहा, ये तीनों कानून किसान के लिए नहीं बल्कि कुछ बड़े ताजिरों को फायदा पहुंचाने के लिए लाए गए हैं, जो बहुत बड़ा धोखा है। इसके खिलाफ तहरीक जारी रहेगी। इससे पहले राहुल ने ट्रेड यूनियन, मजदूरों और बुनकरों से भी मुलाकात की।
There is a government in Delhi that wants to suppress the Tamil culture, Tamil language and Tamil history. And the Prime Minister believes that India should only have one language, one culture and one idea. Narendra Modi ji believes that the entire India should worship only one person called Narendra Modi. He does not understand the spirit of the Tamil people. It is not only happening in Tamil Nadu, it is happening across the country. Narendra Modi supports 5 or 6 big industrialists. These industrialists provide him with the media, and Narendra Modi thinks that he can buy anybody. Narendra Modi does not understand that just because he is for sale does not mean Tamil Nadu is for sale. And so that is why I have come here to make you realize that your culture, your language, your history is under attack.
किसान तहरीक को लेकर भी राहुल गांधी ने मरकज पर बड़े ताजिरों को फायदा पहुंचाने का इल्जाम लगाया।
And Narendra Modi is doing everything to weaken that force. What belongs to the farmers, he is giving to 2 or 3 big industrialists. What belongs to the small and medium industry, to the laborers, to the owners of small and medium industry, he is giving to those same 5 people. And I want the whole world to look towards Tamil Nadu and say that is an example of excellence. And I want to help bring a government in Tamil Nadu that truly respects poor people, farmers, laborers and small and medium business owners. Where youngsters, or Tamil Nadu where youngsters can dream of the future, where they don't have to see the tears of their family members, but where they see the smiles of their family members. So, I have come here to tell you that I am at your service. And I will protect the Tamil interest. If we say Tamil Nadu is India, then we have to say that India is Tamil Nadu. It cannot be like Modi ji says, that we say Tamil Nadu is part of India, but India is not Tamil Nadu.